Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 6. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the screen manually. We can enable and disable auto rotate screen, change screen timeout, enable eye comfort mode and adjust it and schedule it, enable or disable dark theme, change wallpaper, enable or disable hide notification icons from status bar, enable desktop drawer mode, or disable it. Then we can change colors and contrast of the screen display. Next we can change font size, display size, manage screen record settings, lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, show, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen and wake screen for notifications. And in the end, we can enable or disable real-time network speed in status bar. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.